Hi, this is R.J. Cooper, Special Needs Technology Specialist. This is my digital switch timer. This is my small button. This is the appliance controller. And this is an appliance. I have it set for 5 seconds. And as you can see, when I press the button, the timer counts down 5 seconds wirelessly to a controller plugged into the wall into which an appliance is plugged in. Here's that exact same setup with some Christmas tree lights that I purchased at Amazon that I can give you the reference to that have 12 different modes. I personally like this one. Remember, you would not use these Christmas lights if you had somebody that was subject to seizure. Here's a different mode for the Christmas tree lights, not so flashy. Pretty calming. Now, as I say, there are 12 different modes for the Christmas tree lights. The timer is controlled by a little dial right here that goes from 0 seconds up to 2 minutes. So you could have it set with music so that it can play an entire song. Now I have the output of the digital switch timer, not using the appliance controller, directly into a TV remote. As you can see from the light right there, it turned the TV on and then waited 5 seconds and turned the TV off. So the digital switch timer is useful for electronic items that have push buttons for power on and power off or play. However, there are some old style things still around. And here's one that there is no push button. We're just going to connect the batteries internally or not. Here we go. As you can see, it turned on a toy that's switch adapted, or in this case, a vibration device that's switch adapted for the prescribed amount of time. There's a little switch here that controls between digital or regular type of output.